Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome to our chair, Professor Dr. A.B.M. Ubaidul Islam, Vice Chancellor, Bangladesh Open University. Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dr. S.M.A. Faiz, Chairman, University Grants Commission of Bangladesh. Our special guest, Professor Dr. M. Muhammad Shamshir Ali, Professor Emeritus, Bangladesh Open University. Guest of honor, Mr. Siddiq Jubair, Senior Secretary, Secondary and Higher Education Division, and our member of Board of Governors, Bangladesh Open University. Pro-Vice Chancellor, Administration Professor Said Firdaus, PhD. Treasurer, Professor Dr. Abul Hasnat Muhammad Shamim. Our keynote speaker, Dr. B. Sadrak, Director, Commonwealth Education Media Center for Asia, India. Deans, Directors, respected faculty members, distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, and dear participants, good morning. It is a great honor and pleasure for me to welcome you all to today's workshop on blended TVET in Bangladesh. I am honored and happy to host this important event. We are also very happy to have such a distinguished and diverse group of participants with us today. Technical and vocational education and training, that is TVET, is very important for the future of Bangladesh. It will help people learn political skill, practical skills, find jobs, and support their families. It will provide a skilled workforce and improve living standards, our living standards. It also helps our country to grow in a strong and sustainable way. As more skilled workers are needed both in Bangladesh and abroad, blended learning in TVET can help fill the gaps and bring new opportunities for many people. I sincerely thank the organizing team for their hard work and arranging this workshop. Let us now begin the day with open minds, ready to learn, share, and create positive changes. Thank you, all of us. Thank you once again. Allah Hafiz.